Join me as I test out this 4K UHD Google TV Smart Projector and see if it can truly transform my home theater experience. In this video, you will discover the features and benefits of the revolutionary 4K UHD Google TV Smart Projector, designed to elevate your home theater experience. Many people struggle with finding the perfect balance between a great viewing experience and limited space in their homes. Traditional TVs can be bulky and take up a lot of room, making it difficult to create an immersive experience. Others might have a small room or apartment where a large TV just wouldn't fit. You might have also considered projectors in the past, but were put off by poor image quality or a lack of smart features. Whatever your situation, a smart projector can be a game changer. It can provide a massive screen size without taking up much space, and with the latest technology, the image quality can be just as good as a high-end TV. But what if you could have all that and more, with a device that's specifically designed to work seamlessly with your favorite streaming services and devices? For instance, you can turn any room into a home theater with a projector, creating a much more immersive experience than a traditional TV. You can also use it to create a unique gaming setup, or even set up an outdoor movie night with friends and family. The possibilities are endless, and that's exactly what this smart projector promises to deliver. With its cutting-edge technology and innovative design, it's clear that this projector is designed to take your home entertainment to the next level. You'll see how it can fit seamlessly into your existing setup, and how it can even replace your traditional TV in many cases. Whatever your entertainment needs, this projector is designed to deliver a premium experience that will leave you speechless. Whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, or just someone who loves to binge-watch your favorite shows, this projector has got you covered. You'll soon see that this projector is not just another device, but a whole new way of experiencing entertainment in your home. This projector boasts an incredible 4K resolution, providing a crystal-clear image that's 4 times sharper than a standard HD TV. With its smart features, you'll have access to all your favorite streaming services, including Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video, right out of the box. And with Google TV built in, you'll be able to search for content across all your streaming services, and even use your voice to control the projector using Google Assistant. The projector's 4K resolution ensures that every detail is crisp and clear, making it perfect for fast-paced action movies or sports. The colors are rich and vibrant, providing an incredibly immersive experience that will draw you in and keep you engaged. With its smart features, you'll be able to stream content from your devices, access your favorite apps, and even control the projector using your voice or mobile device. The projector's compatibility with Google TV also means that you'll have access to a wide range of apps and services, from live TV to on-demand content. You'll be able to search for content across all your streaming services, and even use personalized recommendations to find new shows and movies that you'll love. The projector's user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate and find what you're looking for, and with Google Assistant built in, you'll be able to control the projector using just your voice. One of the standout features of this projector is its rich color gamut, which provides an incredibly detailed and accurate color representation. This means that you'll see colors that are closer to real life, with deeper blacks and more vibrant colors. The result is an incredibly immersive experience that will transport you to new worlds and make you feel like you're right there in the action. The projector's built-in streaming options also mean that you'll be able to access your favorite content without having to connect additional devices. You'll be able to stream from services like Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video, and even access live TV and on-demand content. The projector's user-friendly interface makes it easy to find what you're looking for, and with personalized recommendations, you'll be able to discover new shows and movies that you'll love. In conclusion, this 4K UHD Google TV Smart Projector is a game-changer for anyone looking to elevate their home theater experience. With its incredible 4K resolution, smart features, and innovative design, it's clear that this projector is designed to take your entertainment to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on this projector in the comments below. If you have any experience with smart projectors or home theater systems, share your stories and tips with the community. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more tech reviews, tips, and behind-the-scenes content.